Today we are going to start our third topic from Unit 3. It is 3.3 Note Making. So, open your books, page number 148. Now listen carefully. Note taking and note making. Both the skills are totally different. Now, here is given information about two kinds of skills. First is note taking and second is note making. These two skills are completely different from each other. Now first point, in this first point there is given information about note taking. Listen carefully. Note taking is a passive process. See the meaning of this word, passive. Passive, it means accepting or allowing what happens or what others do without active response or resistance. Note taking is a passive process which is undertaken during lectures. So what kind of process note taking is? It is passive process. It means you, the student, cannot involve in it actively. The student only write down notes during his lectures. Whatever the lecturer, his teacher will teach in his lecture, that time the student have to take out notes from that lecture. So it is passive process. The student is not involving in this process. Note taking at a glance. See the meaning of this word? At a glance. It means at a brief or hurried look. Note taking at a glance gives a complete view of a paragraph or any content. See the meaning of this word, content. It means written material which contains, see the meaning of this word, contains it means have within the main points and supporting details of what is heard during lectures or speech. So, what is the information is given here? Note taking at a glance give a complete view of a paragraph or any content which contains the main points and supporting details of what is heard during lectures or speech. So, if you look at note taking, the points taken or written into the form of notes, after watching towards those notes quickly, you get a brief information about the whole paragraph, about the whole lecture, about the whole speech. Taking notes while reading from different books and present for different purposes. So, when you take down notes, so that time you read many books and take different kinds of notes from those kind of books, and these different kinds of notes you use for different kind of purposes. Now, second point, note making. So, what is note making? We are going to learn in this second point. Listen carefully. Note making is a more active and focused writing skill. So, what is the meaning of active? See here, it means moving, or another meaning is participating in an activity. Note making is a more active and focused writing skill where a concrete, see the meaning of this word concrete, concrete, it means real or definite. Where a concrete connection between all relevant, see the meaning of this word relevant, it means closely connected. Relevant concepts, see the meaning of this word concept, it means general idea. Relevant concepts and words is drawn to infuse. See the meaning of this word infuse. It means fill with a quality. Infuse or connect all thoughts together by a methods, points, tree diagram, or a table, etc. So, what is the information we are getting here about note making? Note making is more active and focused writing skill. Note making, it is a kind of writing skill and it is very active. It means the student can actively participate in this writing skill, where a concrete connection between all relevant concepts and word is drawn to infuse or connect all thoughts together by a method. So, there are given few methods, suppose points, tree diagram, table. By using all these methods, we can create all thoughts together, join all thoughts together and make a good note there. So, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.